Hey class, it's me Jermaine again. Okay, so say if you're trying to figure out where to find 3D models and extra 3D models, and you don't see what you're looking for, you can always collapse your shapes and models, and at the very bottom it's going to have a link where it's going to say browse Adobe stock, and that will send you to Adobe. Alright, and once in there, you're going to click over here, the top left, and make sure, well, it's going to be selected for 3D. But say if you're looking for a beverage can, such as I looked for earlier, just look around and you're going to see objects, items, and they're going to be ones that you can purchase. But every now and then, you'll see a model that's going to be free, like this one. And since I was using this for a class project, I went with the free one. Alright, and all you have to do is just look at what you got, and then just, I'm actually going to save this to my libraries. But you can download this right here, and once this downloads, it will bring that up in Adobe Dimensions. Let's see. And then basically these are your shapes. Here are your models. But that can that I downloaded is going to be right here. It's going to be a beverage can. And with this, you can, like I said, you've got your assets. You can do all kinds of things with it. Change the colors. If you want to change the colors, just double click on the icon. In your properties, you'll click here. And this will let you do things like change the color, do all kinds of things like that. And if you want to add art to it, you're just gonna double click. And where it says actions, say if I wanted to take my comic book art and put on the can, right? All you have to do is grab that so you can constrain the proportions, and then once it's done, you should be able to scroll around the can, and now double click that some more. Kind of scale that how I want. But now, this should be completely 360 degrees. That's how you put your image on your can or your product. Alright? And you can do that with anything. It may take some scaling, just working with different sizes. But yeah, it's no problem. It's just delete. And grab this like this food pouch. Scale your camera. You will scale your camera a lot in this program. Double click. Grab your artwork. Place it on like so. It's going to load it. There you go. You grab it. You hold select so you're not stretching anything out. Or shift. You hold shift to make sure you're not stretching anything out. And there. That's how you put your art on your package. With it being something like that. Okay, and on the other side of the package, you're just going to grab it and scale it. This was actually a trial and error right here where I was trying something new to see how this worked. But once done there, I've added 2 images to my package. So there you go. That's how you do it. And I used the comic book for my comic book series, Twilight the Battle Spiritual Warfare, that I draw and write. Anyway, thanks class, and enjoy packaging design.